All right, it's Mr. Short. I'm back again. I really do hope these are helping you. I started doing these just for my class, and I figured since I'm doing it for my class, why not help everyone out? So I'm helping you out. Hopefully, this helps with your homework. Parents, hopefully, this helps a little bit. If you guys are out there watching to help you understand a little more of this new math, I'm telling you, the new math is better. I promise you, it really is. It just takes some getting used to. So, again, if I'm helping you out, hit that subscribe button and help me out. All right, let's get into today's Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, Module 4, Lesson 8. We're on pages 94. I'm reading it backwards. Page 49 and 50 today. 49 and 50 today. All right. Partition the area model to show smaller fractional units. Then label the the equivalent fraction. Express equivalence by using multiplication. Decompose into twelfths. Twelfths. They're telling us what they want to do. That's not nice. All right, so this is 1/4. We need the bottom to be 1/12. Oops, 1/12. I wrote 1/2. I'm at 1/12. All right, so we need to get 4 to be the same as 12. So what do we multiply 4 by to get to 12? 4 times what equals 12? Or 12 divided by 4 equals what? 3. Okay, that means we need 3 sections. So we have 1, 2 sections. We have 1, 2, 3 sections. Okay, so this 1/12 that I wrote there, that's not really what it's going to be. We're going to take that off. We're going to put a 3 there because 3/12, 1, 2, 3, if we look at the dark green, is the same as 1/4. Okay, so if we look, what do we multiply 4 by to get to 12? You guys told me it was 3. So whatever you multiply the bottom by when you're doing fractions, you have to multiply the top by when we're making them equivalent, because we're showing the equivalence. So we said 3 times 4, right, to get to 12. This is so small. I'm going to write this bigger. Equals, we got this line with an x and a 1, an x and a 4, that equals this. All right, sorry, that's bigger. This is just too small. I want you guys to see it. So we said we had to multiply the 4 times 3 to get us 12. Well, then to make sure, like I said up here, to make sure they're equivalent, when we're showing equivalence, you have to also multiply the top by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we have 3/12. We have 3/12, so we can show that because now they wanted 12, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 12 spaces. So we have 12ths. We have 1, 2, 3 now shaded in green, so we have 3/12, which is the same as if those lines weren't there, any of these new lines we drew weren't there, we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. So this was one of the 4 sections was colored in. All right? Hope that makes sense. Number 2 says, show the fractions are equivalent by drawing an area model, then express the equivalence by using multiplication. All right, I'm helping you on this one the whole way. So I have 1/2 and 3/6. So there is, and then I should really be coloring. You know what? Hold on. I have a highlighter right here. Let me grab the highlighter. Here's my highlighter. This will be a little nicer. All right. It's not exact, but it's going to get the job done as I just drew on myself with it. Nice. Okay. So that shows 1/2. So we're going to say that shows 1/2. We have 2 pieces and one of them's colored in. Well, they want us to get to 6. All right. So we're going here. It's just like we did before. Here's our multiplication signs. We're going to put 1 up top. We'll put 2 at the bottom. And then this equals, we already have the answer, equals 3/6. So now we need to get to 3/6. We have 2. What do we multiply 2 by to get to 6? 2 times what equals 6? 6 divided by 2 equals what? That's correct. 3. So if it's 3, up here we have to also multiply by 3. So that means that our 1/2, right, our 1 now needs to be 3 pieces. Our 2 now needs to be 6 pieces. So watch. With 1, 2, if I draw one line here, now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. If I draw another line here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my 6 pieces. And look, here's my 1, 2, 3. So we proved our equivalence, just like we did up top here. All right, does that make sense? Take a look at that again for a minute. Remember, we started with 1/2, so if you just take out this line, these lines, and you're just looking at the top, this is 1 piece, this is 1 piece, right? The bottom is 1 piece, the top's 1 piece. We colored in 1 out of 2 pieces. That gave us 1/2. And then we knew we had to get to 6th, so you guys told me that if we multiplied 2 times 3, we would get 6. So that means I need to break up, instead of having 2 pieces, I need 6 pieces. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces now. And because I multiplied the bottom by 3, because we want equivalence, which means they're the same, they're equal, they're equivalent, that means the top has to be multiplied by 3. So I had my 1 piece there, and I turned it into 3. So I said 3 times 1, 1 times 3, either way, equaled 3. So I have my 1, 2, 3 to show that 1/2 is equal to 3/6. Okay? Let's look at the back real quick. What we got back here? On Monday, Jayla jumps rope for 3 minutes. Each day she jumps rope for 2 more minutes than the day before. Complete the table. So here she jumps for 3 minutes. Each day she jumps for 2 more. So we want to go plus 2. So what is 3 plus 2? Put that answer here. Then your new answer plus 2. Then your new answer plus 2. Then your new answer plus. See what we're doing here? What pattern do you notice in the minutes? Find that one out on your own. I did a lot today. I hope it helped, right? Make sure you're getting this. 5th grade fractions are huge. You're going to start doing a lot more fractions, so make sure you understand it this year. So next year you're ready to go. You can impress your 5th grade teacher. All right, guys. That was Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade Module 4, Lesson 8. I'm Mr. Short. Hopefully you're somewhere enjoying it. Hopefully you're somewhere warm. It's cold over here in Michigan right now, and I'm about done being cold. I need to go someplace warm. I got to figure out where to go. All right. Well, you guys have a good night. I got to figure out someplace warm to go. See you tomorrow.